Good morning, students. See, so far, what and all I thought you understood, I think. So today's topic is word problems on operation of numbers. Okay. See here, word problems. So many children, if they know the addition, subtraction, multiplication, basic this operations, even though they'll find difficult for word problems, statement sums or story sums. Why? Because they don't know to understand. Read the question and understand whether it is based on addition, subtraction, multiplication or division. Yes or no? Many children, they'll do all other operations and all. If statement sums comes means they won't do at all. Word problem or the story sums and all. Today I'm going to teach some keywords. So if you know these keywords, it's easy and you can understand the question and you can solve it. Okay. For example, if addition. So if they are asked, so which see in story problem or word problem, see if they are asked to find total, what you should do, add. Then in all or and all together. If the question is if they ask find in all or all together, so what you should do, add. Find the sum also, addition. So these are the keywords for addition. If you know this, it's easy while solving this one statement sums. So next, if subtraction means how much left, then find the other, how much more than which is lesser, and find the difference. So if in question, if you get these type of how much left over or find the other, how much more than this or which is less, find the difference means all those questions are based on subtraction. Okay. Now multiplication means what? Detail of one is given. If they are asked to find many, then find the product. So when the multiplication is what? If they in question, if they are given in detail of one. For example, one pencil cost is this much. What is the cost of many? So if they are given one and if they are asked to find many, what you should do? Multiply. Clear? Or find the product is also multiplication. So division, details of many is given. So cost of 100 pens is this much. What is the cost of one pen? Or if they see here, cost of this many books are this much. What is the cost of one? If they ask like that, details of many given and asked to find each or one, you should go for what? Division. Clear? Then find the quotient and remainder also, division. If you know this keywords, it's easy to solve your statement sums. Understand? So first you keep this in your mind. See, basic operations are what? Addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. So in this one statement sums, definitely you will get any one or two operations together. So if the question is asked to find total means you should go for addition. In all, addition, and all together, addition. Find the sum, addition. So in subtraction, how much left over, or find the other. So then how much more, or which is lesser, find the difference means you should go for subtraction. So in multiplication, what? Details of one is given. So cost of one cylinder is this much. What is the cost of many? Like that. So cost of one flat is this much. What is the cost of same like 10 flats and all. If you know one in question, if they are given one, they are asked to find many, what you should do? You should go for multiplication. Then find the product is also multiplication. Division, details of many. They'll give many. So these many cost of many books are this much. Many means like 1,000, 150 or 5. As you to find one or each, you should go for what? Division. So find the quotient and remainder is also division. Clear? If you know this, we can solve sums easily. Today's word problem, I'm going to teach word problems. I'll copy one by one question and I'll explain, and I'll explain how to solve also. Okay. Now first question, exercise 1.3. Exercise 1.3. See, your heading is word problems on operation of numbers. So operation means you will get this addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. So you should read the question and see whether it is addition, subtraction, multiplication or division. Then write statement and solve. Okay. First question, question number 1. In the adjacent figure, find the distance in kilometer. In kilometers. So figure they are given like this. B, C, A, E and D. Okay, from here to here 1070 kilometer, and this is 1350 kilometer. Here 1500 kilometer, 1280 kilometer, 2160 kilometer. This is the question. So first one, A1, from C to A through B. Okay, A question. B question is from A to B through E, D and C. Okay, 4 sums are there. I'll do 2 sums. It's very easy. You can do it yourself. So I'll go for only 2 sums. See here, in the adjacent figure, find the distance in kilometer. So they are given this figure. You should find the distance in what? Kilometer. So here they are given in kilometer only. Kilometer, 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 kilometer. Distance from A to, distance from A to B, 1350 kilometer. B to C, 2070 kilometer. C to D, 2160. Then A to E, 1500. E to D, 1280 kilometer. So you should find the distance between. See, first one, C to A. You should find out. I'll use color chalkpiece and I'll show. You should find C to A. Start from C and you should come where? You should come A. So how you should come? Through B. First you should start from C. You should come C to B, then B to A. Understand what is the question? Starting from C to A. You should start from C. You should reach where? A. But how? Through B. You can't come like this. C, D, E, F, R straight away from this. So you should go through B and come. So how to do this? First you should go C to B how many kilometer plus B to A how much, then you will get the answer. So first C to B how much? C to B is how much kilometer? 2170. 2170 kilometer. It's given in question itself. Then B to A. B to A is how much? B to A 1350 kilometer. 1350 kilometer. Now what you should do? Total. Find total equal to, or you can write sum also. Total or sum. So here kilometer, both are in kilometer, like kilometer. Just add, you will get. So what is that? Find the distance. Distance from C to B is how many kilometer you should find? You should come through B. So 0, 7 plus 5, 12, 1 carry. So 2, 3, 4, 5. Now 2 plus 1 is 3. So what is the answer? 3520 kilometer. Got it? How to do? 3550 kilometer. Yes, correct. Now next question. So this is A question. B question. From A to B through EDC. Where you should start? You should start from A. You should go? B. But how you should go? Not directly A to B. You should go through E, D and C. E, D and C. So starting point where? A. So A to, first where you should go? A to E, then E to D, then E to C, Then you should come to B. Here. How much distance you should cover, you should see. Understand? You should come A to B. You can't go A, B like this. If you go like this, you will get 1350 kilometers. But in question, how they are given, you should go through, you should find distance through E, D and C. So what and all you should add? Distance from A, E you should add. Plus distance from E to D. E to D you should add. Then D to C. D to C plus C to B. Got it? Now you should go A to B, but how you should go? Through E, D and C. So if you add distance from AE, ED and DC and CB, you will get the total distance. So we'll go for AE. I'll rub and I'll do here. First I'll go AE. AE equal to how much? 1500 kilometer. 1500 kilometer. Then E to D. E to D, how much? ED. ED equal to 1280. 1280 kilometer. Then after that D to C. D to C is how much? 2160. 2160 kilometer. Then last C to B. C to B is how much? 2170. 2170 kilometer. Now you should add all that. Total equal to, you can write total or sum. Okay, sum equal to 1580, 60, 70. Yes, correct. Now here all kilometer, right? Kilometer. Now add 0. Now say 8 plus 6 is how much? 14. 14 plus 7. 14 plus 7 is 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. 21. 30, 21, 2 carry. Now 5, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 1 carry. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7110 kilometers. Somewhere we gone wrong. Wait, I will do addition once again and we'll check. 0, 13. 13 plus 8 is how much? 13 plus 8 is 21. 1, 2 carry. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 1 carry. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7, correct. This is, whether we copied question correctly, 1500, 1280. Yes. 2160, correct. Here 2170. 1, 2, 3, 4, 9, 10. 10 will come. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 11. Somewhere we wait, children, textbook question. This is correct, correct. Yeah. Oh, this is correct, correct, children. So 0, 8 plus 6 is how much? 14. 14 plus 7 is 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. 1, 2 carry. Correct, 7110. So this is total. Okay. Now next question. I hope you understood. Still 2 more questions are there. Just I'll explain that. Okay. What is that question? From A to D through E. From A to D through E, how to do? From A to D through E. So how to do this? So first you should start from A, then you should go D through E. So you add this and this, you will get 1500 kilometer plus 1280 kilometer, you will get 0872. Like this you should do. Got it? Still one more question is there. You can do it yourself. Now question number 2. Second question. the total population of a city. Question number 2, the total population of a city equal to is 47,98,450. If the number of male equal to 24,56,780. Find the number of female. Find the number of females in a city. First, I'll read the question. This is the question. See here. Here, what they are given, the total population of city. So, totally how many? This one's how many? The population, female, male, all together, kids all together. Total population is what? 47,98,450. In that, if number of males is this much, 24,56,780. Find the number of female. This you should find. What they are given? Total population they are given. Okay, total strength, total population they are given. Males they are given. You should find female. So already I told. So whether it is addition, subtraction, multiplication or division. So I told you how to find. See, if they ask all together or in all, you should go for if you other, you should find. See, they are given male. Here you should find other female. So which operation you should go? Subtraction. If they ask to find other, you should go for subtraction. So how to subtract? First, total population. How to frame statement? Solution. Total population of a city. So the total population of a city equal to how much city? See, in working column you should do city equal to 47,98,450. Okay. Now this one number of males they are given. So it's given in the question. So number of males equal to 24,56,780. Now what you should find? Number of females you should find. Therefore, number of females equal to, see here, they asked to find what? Other. So other means which operation you should go? Subtraction. So subtract this, you will get the answer. So here 0, 5 minus 8 you can't subtract. So borrow 1, 3, 15, 15 minus 8 is 7. 3 minus 7 you can't borrow 7, 13. 13 minus 7 already I thought, well, bridge course you count after 7 until 13. After 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So 6, 7 minus 6, 1, 9 minus 5, 4, 7 minus 4, 3, 4 minus 2, 2. So we got female population is 23,41,670. So answer equal to 23,41,670. Got it? How to solve? See here. So you people will get confused where you know whether it is addition, subtraction, multiplication or division. So read the question and understand what they asked. So I gave those keywords now. Relate that. Then you will get which operation you should do. Then you can solve it easily. Clear? Now we know statement sums while copying in classwork. In one page, one question answer. So after this and all, you should do it in the working column. Clear? After, see, one page, you should do only one question answer. Don't write question one page and answer another page. Clear? Now next question, question number 3. Question number 3. I'll rub question. Question number 3 is the weight of 3, the weight of a gas cylinder is 18 kg, 250 grams. So what you should do, what is the total weight of 15 cylinders? What is the total weight of 15 cylinders? Okay, this is the question. See here, first read the question and understand which operation you should do. So what they are given, the weight of a gas cylinder is this much. A gas cylinder means what? One gas cylinder. A is what? One gas cylinder weight they are given. What is the weight of 15 gas cylinders? So just go for keywords, what and all I thought. If they are given one and if they ask you to find many, which operation you should do? Multiplication. What you should do? Multiplication into. See, the weight of one gas cylinder is this much. What is the weight of 15 gas cylinders? What you should do? Multiplication. So, how to frame sentence? First one. So, weight of a gas cylinder, or you can write one gas cylinder equal to how much? 18 kg, 250 grams. So what you should find? So therefore, weight of 15 gas cylinders equal to, so 18 kg, 250 grams into 50. Got it? So you should multiply in working column. For me, no place this, so I will do here. Or I will do it here. Yes, here 18.250 into 50. Or you can go grams and all one side, then kg other side and do. However you want, you can multiply. So here, see, if we go like this, 5 zeros, see here already I taught you multiplication. You can multiply vertically or horizontally. Now 5 zeros are 0, 5 fives are 25, 2 carry, 5, 5 twos are 10, 11, 12, 2 again 1 carry, 5 eights are 40, 40 plus 1 is 41, 4 carry, 5 ones are 5, 5 plus 4 is 9. So, we'll check once again whether it's correct. 5 zeros are 0, 5 fives are 25, 5 2 carry, 5 twos are 10, 11, 12, 2 1 carry, 5 eights are 40, 40 plus 1 is 41, 5 ones are 5, 5 plus 4 is 9. So, 91250. Yes, it's correct. Now, one number over, so place 1 0 in unit place. So next is what? 1. 1 is what? Multiplicative identity. I told you. If you multiply any number, so properties of multiplication I told no. If you multiply any number by 1, you will get the number itself. So here 1 zeros are 0, 1 fives are 5, 1 twos are 2, 1 eights are 8, 1 ones are 1. So add down 0, 5, 7, 2, 3, 8, 9, 7, 17, 1 carry 2. So after 3 digit place comma. So what answer you got? 273 kg and 750 grams. So answer equal to 273 kg and 750 grams. Clear? Now next question. So in this question they gave 1 and we find many. So which operation we did? Multiplication. Multiplication, why I placed comma here? This is kg and this is gram. So after multiplying here also 1, 2, 3 digit, I placed comma, point. Now we are 2,700, 273 kg and 750 grams. Weight of 15 gas cylinder is this much. Clear? Now next question, question number 4. Fourth one. You will get PDF notes, children. That time you can copy. Now understand, assign homework you can copy in classroom. Sorry, homework. Homework question I'll give. That question you copy in rough note or you can copy directly in homework. Now next one. Question number 4. The distance between the school and the house of a student living in a village is 1 kilometer, 875 meters. Every day he covers the distance both ways by walking. Find the total distance covered by him in 6 days. Okay, this is the question. Got it? Now I'll read the question. First understand question, then see which operation you should do, whether addition, subtraction, multiplication or division. So the first question is the distance between the school and the house of a student living in a village is 1 kilometer, 875 meters. Every day he covers the distance both the way by walking. Find the total distance covered by him 6 days. So first what they are given? They are given student. See here the distance between the school and the house of the student. One student living in a village. So living in a village, that students, school, see here school to house or house to school distance they are given 1 kilometer. Okay, we'll go for house to school only. Just I'll explain afterwards, I'll write statements and all. So house to school. House to school. How much kilometer? 1 kilometer, 875 meters. So every day he covers the distance. Every day he used to walk both the ways. Both the ways means what? House to school. After school, school to house he covers by walking. You should find the total distance covered by him 6 days. So here total they asked. Total means what you should do? Addition. Okay. Now here but they are given only one way they are given. Distance they are given. Both the way you used to walk. So first you should find one day how much kilometer he used to walk. Then you should multiply that by 6. You will get the answer. Are you got it? See here total distance means find the total distance means what you should do? This one addition. But here what they are given? One day he used to first So one day how much distance he used to walk, that we should find by adding. Then you should multiply that by 6, you will get. Understand? So I'll do statement, then you can understand clearly. I'll write statement and I'll show. First statement is distance. First we'll find one day how much. School to house, house to school, how much he covers. So distance covered by in, distance covered in a day. Covered in a day. In a day means one day. So to house to school, school to house. So you should multiply this 1 kilometer 875 meter into 2. If you multiply into 2, you will get the answer. Why you should multiply? Multiply or add. However, you can add again this and multiply, both are same. If you multiply, you will get 1.875 into 2. 5 twos are 10, 1 carry, 7 twos are 14, 15, again 1 carry, 8 twos are 10, 11, 1 carry, 2 ones are 2, 2 plus 1, 3. So again 2, 5 twos, we'll check once, 5 twos are 10, 0, 1 carry, 7 twos are 14, 15, 5, 1 carry, 8 twos are 16 plus 1, 17, 7, 1 carry. Then 2 ones are 2, 3. 8 twos are 16 plus 1, 7. So here after 3 digits. So per day how much we used to walk? 3 kilometer and 750 meter per day. So here you should find out 6 days how much distance he used to cover. So you should find 6 days how much. So in a day we got it. So therefore distance covered covered in 6 days equal to, just multiply 3.3170 one day this much into 6. So you will get the answer. 6 zeros are 0, 6 fives are 30, 3 carry, 42, 6 sevens are 42, 43, 44, 45, 5, again 4, 6 threes are 80, 90, 20, 21, 22. Just will check whether it's correct or not. 6 zeros are 0, 6 fives are 30, 0, 3 carry, 6 sevens are 42, 43, 44, 45, 5, 4 carry, 6 threes are 80, 90, 20, 21, 22, 22. So after 3 digit point. So 22 kilometer and 500 meter he used to cover. Got it? How much distance every 6 days he used to cover? Answer 22 kilometer and 500 watt meter. 22 kilometer and 500 meter he used to cover. Clear now? So in this question, multiplication is there, even addition both together, or both you can multiply this, you can add. Morning this, school to house is, house to school is 1 kilometer 805 this one meter. Then again school to house same distance. So if you add also you will get it. 14, 15, 1 carry 16, 17, 1 carry 3. See, you can add or multiply. Clear? Got it now? Distance covered in a day is this much. Why in a day is this much? 2 ways, both the way. Both the way means house to school, school to house. So, yeah, one day how much distance he used to cover? 3 kilometer and 750 meters. So, distance covered by him 6 days is equal to, if multiply by 6, you will get the answer. Clear? Now, question number 5. Question number 5. This notes you will get through PDF, children, no need to copy in classwork. Well, copying in classwork, as I told you, copy question and answer in one page. One page, only one sum you should do. In one page, only one sum. So now question number 5. Jagreet is a famous cricket player. He has cricket player. He has so far scored 7,890 runs in a test match. Test matches. So what you should find out, how many more runs does he need to complete 10,000 runs. Okay, this is the question. I'll read question. See here what they are given in the question. Jagreet is a famous cricket player. Okay, he has so far scored. So far means till now he scored how much? 7,890 runs in a test match. So how many more runs does he need to complete 10,000 runs? So if he need to complete 10,000 runs means still how many runs he need to he need to complete 10,000 you should find. See, already I told in keywords that how many more, if they ask how many more means what you should do? Subtraction you should do. So here what you should do? Total number of runs he need to complete, then number of runs so far he completed. If you subtract, you will get the answer. Clear? Now here, total, so solution, total number of runs he needs to first, then we will go for that. Total number of runs he need equal to 10,000 runs he need to complete. So far how much he completed? This much. So here number of runs he scored so far. He scored equal to how much? 7,000. See, place value 7,890. You should arrange it properly. Now then what you should find? So therefore number of runs he required or he need. Number of runs he needs to complete 10,000 runs is equal to 10,000 runs equal to what you should do? Subtract, you will get the answer. 0. See here 0 minus 9 you can't. So borrow. Here also 0. So borrow 1 from here. Here what? 9, 10, 9, 10, 9, 10. 10 minus 9 is 1. 9 minus 8, 1. 9 minus 7, 2. Here, see already it's 1. We borrowed. So here 0. So here 2,110 still he needs. So what is the answer? He required 2,110 runs to complete 10,000. Clear now? Once again, I'll solve this subtraction and I'll show. Say 10,000 minus 7,890. Okay? 0 minus 0, 0. Here also, see 0 minus 9 you can't subtract. So borrow 1. Here also 0, here also 0. So borrow 1 from here. If you borrow 1, it will become 0 here. Here 10. So again borrow 1 from here. Here 9. Again borrow 1. 9. Here 10. 10 minus 9 is 1. 9 minus 8, 1. 9 minus 7 is 2. So here 0. So 0. Here highest place 0. So no value. So what is the answer? 2,110 10 runs he scored. Now I'll give homework question. So still 2 more sums are there. I will solve those sums next class. So now I'll give homework statement sums, only one sum. Do it neatly in your assignment book. So this is HW homework question. Cost of a laptop is rupees 1,20,545. What is the cost of 20 such laptops required by the managers of the company. Managers of a company. So once again I'll read question. The cost of a laptop, they are given this much rupees. So what is the cost of 20 such laptops? Same types of 20 laptops required by the managers of a company. They need 20. So how much money they need required, you should find. Okay, they are given one cost of one laptop. You should find out cost of 20 laptops. Clear? This is still 2-3 sums are there in that exercise. I'll continue in next class. Okay, thank you children.